Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove Instagram account from Meta Business Suite account. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Business Suite app on our phone. Tap on it. And here you're gonna see your homepage. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see 3 horizontal lines. Click on that and just simply click log out and confirm by clicking log out again. And that's it. That's how you remove your Instagram account from Meta Business Suite account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!